Hi, my name is Peter Gadzinski. I'm a product manager at MaxScheduler. Today I'm going to give an introduction to MaxScheduler Routing. It's a scheduling product that we have or offer. To explain some concepts and look at some data, here's a spreadsheet. So key concepts, the first one would be routing. Say you offer product A to the market. Product A requires a number of tasks to complete that work. And then the next concept is jobs, and jobs is like an order from the customer that says, I want 10 units of product A. And then the third concept is tasks, which is a combination of the routing and job information. And the task is what you issue to say to your factory floor and say to your guys, hey, we need to satisfy this job, please execute this work. Thus we'll have X units of product A and we'll be able to sell that stuff. This information right here, it's a spreadsheet of task level information for a print facility. I've highlighted 3 rows here, and the 3 rows we have a job 95045, and we have 3 tasks that are required to finish to complete this job. The activities or tasks are this job requires some time on a Komori press, something called a cylinder press, something called MBO. We have a sequence for those tasks. We have durations for each one. We have quantities, and we have a due date. So let's import this information into MaxScheduler. The information was imported, and then we can show our scheduling screen. So this is kind of the main screen of the software. The columns represent resources, the rows represent time. There at the bottom are those imported tasks. What this software will do, and I guess I'll just get it going. You enter in a start date and time, press click, and the software works in the background to kind of basically try to it sorts all those tasks by due date and then assigns the tasks in sequence to get that work done as soon as possible. And we can look at that sample job, the 95045, and we see that it required some time on the Komori press, some time on the cylinder press, and some time on MBO. And then you probably noticed when you scroll over a job, it highlights all the tasks required to complete that job in yellow. So you can visually kind of see the work getting done. Now, what's the value of this software? We have talked with a lot of manufacturers who have trouble accurately scheduling, having a true sense of the capacity of their facility and a true sense of the timelines to get work done. They usually default to a concept called lead times. They say, when they get an order from the customer, they say, hey, we have we can get it done in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, and they're kind of guessing, truly. And challenges that come out from that, or there's a bunch of issues that can happen through that. They don't have a true sense when they schedule something. They don't have a true sense of how busy they are because they actually haven't scheduled all the tasks, assigned them to resources, and see how full there are. Like if you look at this schedule, this facility has a bunch of expensive equipment that's relatively free. So perhaps this facility can go out to their sales guys and say, hey, do you have a bunch of work for our Komori press? Because we have a bunch of availability. And also, there's one other thing that happens when you work with lead times is your big important customer will give you a call and say, I need something really important done really quickly. So you have to shift all the other work down, make allowances for that important work to keep that customer, but you don't know what the consequences are. So the idea behind MaxScheduler is to help you actually, get a sense for capacity of your facility and give some accurate due dates. There's another feature with our scheduler in that you can highlight over this D, and it'll actually tell you all the work that will not meet its due date, and then you can make adjustments accordingly. So that's a rough introduction to MaxScheduler Routing. Thank you for your time. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can reach us at maxscheduler.com. There's a contact phone number and also email addresses. All right. Again, thank you for your time.